Constructing and analyzing box plots, part 2. Example 3. The box plots below represent the numbers of cookbooks sold by 20 male athletes and 20 female athletes as part of a fundraiser for a school sports. Compare the medians and interquartile ranges for the two samples. Okay, so first let's take a look at the medians. So the median for the male athletes is right here, and that is 6. The median for the female athletes is right here, and that is also 6. So when we talk about comparing the medians, we'll simply say the median for both male and female athletes is 6. Okay, when we talk about the interquartile range for both, the Q3 is right here, which is 8. The Q1 is 3. So the IQR is 5 for the male athletes. For the female athletes, the Q3 is 7 and the Q1 is 5. So its IQR is 2. Okay, so now we're going to compare the interquartile ranges of the two samples. So for the female athletes, the IQR for the females is small compared to the median, meaning the data is not variable. Now for the guys, the IQR for the males is large compared to the median, meaning the data is variable, which makes sense, okay, because we see variable, the males are more spread out than the females. So we're just going to conclude by saying that the so the number of cookbooks sold by the males is more variable than the females.